Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to make the first project in the June 2022 paper pumpkin kit. We're going to do the card with the market cart on it. So let's get started. We need the greeting that says you're the pick of the crop. We need the bar to put it on. We need a loaf of bread, we need the market cart, and we need this card base. So the first thing they tell us we need to do is to stamp the greeting. So we're just going to pull this in here and take my Calypso Coral. Let's just make sure I've got the right one. Yes, Calypso Coral Stampin' Spot. And ink that up really well. And I'm going to grab a scrap of paper just so that I can stamp it away and make sure that I've got good coverage, because sometimes the new stamps still have a little bit of the manufacturing gunk or fluid or whatever on, and it makes it just a little bit harder to ink up, and that's absolutely fine. So we're going to ink this up. And you'll see I've got Calypso Coral on the back of this. I store my stamp spots upside down. You should store them upside down to keep the ink at the top of the pad. So I just write on the bottom what they are. Okay, so we are going to line this up, pop it down, and there we go. The nice thing about the photopolymer stamps is that you can see when you got full contact. So that is excellent. Okay. So step 2 says we need to put adhesive dots on the back of these like this. So there's my adhesive dots stuck down. And then we need to take and we need to put them on the market cart. So the loaf of bread goes like this, and it just goes down like that. Pop that down like that. And then this goes across the top of the wheels like that. So I'm hoping that I've got my dots in the right place to stick this down. So let's give that a whirl. Just like that. And it is indeed stuck on. Excellent. Okay, so we are going to now, we turn this over, and in step 3 it says to put dimensionals on. So we are going to put dimensionals there, and one in the middle, and one in the center of each wheel, it looks like. So we'll pop that down like that, and like that. And then we can put it on the front of the cart, or the cart on the front of the card. So we'll just peel these off like that, and that will be our first card all done. Super quick, super easy, and super cute. So this comes down here like this, and it just pops on the front of the card. Excellent. There we go. That is the first card made in the paper pumpkin kit for June 2022, called Pick of the Crop. So stay tuned for the next project.